Hey YouTube, here's Heiko. Today we're in front of my garage. It's pretty nice weather today. I just recently bought myself a little truck, a 2017 Nissan Frontier, and it was a former rental car, 35,000 miles on it. Unfortunately, the front OEM floor mats were missing. One of the keys was missing, so yeah, how it goes. So I wanted some proper floor mats. I was kind of looking at buying some WeatherTech floor mats because they are really nicely formed and shaped and keep all the mess in the floor mat. But $197 for front and rear in a crew cab Frontier was just a little too expensive for my taste. And there are a couple other brands like Smart Liner and Max Liner and Husky and rugged something liner or off-road, rugged off-road equipment. They are all very similar. They're all shaped 3D, laser, whatever measured. And the only floor mat, other than the one that I just now bought, had one big issue. The front floor mats, they go all the way into the door opening and pretty much go over the plastic so all the mess doesn't reach your carpet at all. And the rear floor mats, they would end kind of like the OEM carpet floor mats, like 2 inches shy of the door opening. And so when my kids get in and out here in the back, they would still get everything on the carpet, which I kind of want to avoid. I mean, the carpet is not pristine, even though this vehicle is only 2 years old, but you know, rental car people don't pay attention. Anyways, so I wanted floor mats that kind of are like these. WeatherTech does that, and WeatherTech does the same in the rear. All the other ones, Smart Liner, Max Liner, they all had some sort of design flaw that they left a little bit of carpet open. And then I found these here on Amazon. Brand name is OEDRO. OEDRO, made in China. They are actually made really well. They use the original floor mat hooks that are here in place, and it's kind of tough to get the hooks through. Had to use a screwdriver for that, but once I had it in, they are very nicely held in place. The shape is perfect. Here it's a little kink in it, probably from transport in the box, mailing, whatever. But they end nicely here on the door sill. And this is not really rubber. It's very stiff. So it's nice, rigid. It will stay in its shape. It's not like a loosey-goosey rubber material that will eventually fall over, probably. This is pretty nice, thick. These were originally $139, but then there was a $20 off coupon applied on Amazon checkout, and so they ended up being, you know, $119 plus tax. I like them. They really follow every detail here in the floor. Nicely shaped to fit. Cheaper than most of the other brands. I think Smart Liner, Max Liner, and Husky and whatnot, they were all around $140. These were cheaper because of the 20% or no, $20 off coupon. And then the rear, it's also nice and stiff. It's not like a floppy floor mat. Nicely formed around everything. Here's another little kink. I don't know if that's supposed to be there. You have to remove the OEM floor mats. These are the OEM floor mats in the rear, the front missing. So I'm just going to slide the seat forward and then put the rear one in place and give you another look. So I'm pretty happy how they look and how they feel. Here, let me pause you for a second. We're low on battery, so I'm just going to give you a quick look here. Nicely back all the way into the door opening. Fits right around every corner here. Here in the back, there's supposed to be a storage box, which is also missing. Another $80 off of eBay, but I will get it eventually. So it fits in here really nicely. It's nice and stiff, has all those ridges that will keep the dirt in. And then you can just wipe them off, I guess, when they're dirty, or vacuum off and then wipe with some plastic cleaner. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed for the price, how they fit and mold around all the pieces here. And there's some protective layer on the metal tag here. If you don't like that, it's riveted on, you can probably just take it off and put a sticker over it, or I don't know. I'll take that off later. But yeah, pretty impressed. Good quality. There's my shipping address. So yeah, that brand. Maybe I add a link in the description. They probably have that for all kinds of vehicles. Yeah, you guys take care. Bye.